What is going on, guys? Noah here, bringing you guys another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a hitch on a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Boom. So there it is. It's in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it right now. Alright, so there it is. So I did get it off Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description if you want to go ahead and get one for yourself. I think I spent about $110 on it. It was pretty cheap, so said it'll take about 2 weeks to get here. Took 3 days. That's pretty good. Here it is. It's a little heavy. So here are the tools that it comes with. Has the wires, has this that goes right up in here like that, and then you got your mounting screws and whatnot. I'll go ahead and show you how to do that in a minute. Alright, so this right here is where it's gonna be mounted. So you're gonna want to take this rubber right off. Alright, so for this side, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna actually be taking this one and that one off. Alright, so then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna just pull it out, and then you're gonna be taking this rubber off as well. So for this hole, you're gonna want to make it bigger. Alright, so there we go. Got a perfect hole. Alright, so I have everything set up. The one that's gonna go on to the left side over here, it's gonna be going on the right side. I got it over there. Let's get to work. So you're gonna leave your wire hanging for now. Alright, so for this side, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna put your wire in through the hole and go ahead and bring it out through this hole right here, just like that. Same procedure. Go ahead and grab your bolt, put the thing right in, and then screw it on to the wire, just like that. So once you got it in, you're gonna want to put this thing first, along with your wire, and like that. Alright, and then for the next one, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Screw it onto the wire, just like that. following with this thing. Just like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and pull your bolt. So there you go. Now you got both of your bolts in. You got the wires. So if you got somebody to help you, that'll be great, but I'm actually by myself. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and put the wire right in that hole, and then the other one right in there. Same thing with this side. Put the wire right in the hole just so it can make it easier for me. Just like that. Alright, so I took my wire off, and then what I'm gonna do, alright, so I got one down, and then for the next one, you can go ahead and take your wire off as well. And then alright, so now that I got that on, that was kind of hard being by yourself. So like I said, so if you got somebody that can help you out, that'll be great. It's not fully tight because I'm gonna go ahead and do that side. You can go ahead and pull your wire off as well from this side. And then go ahead and put that in, just like that. So this side hopefully shouldn't be too hard. Alright, now that it's hanging there. So then on this side, you're actually going to be getting the fatter one. Same with this. Put it right in there, like that. And you're going to put it in through there. And then you're going to grab your nut on the other side. And go ahead and just tighten it down for right now, just to hold it in place. So once it's fully on, you want to go ahead and torque it to specs. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to just show you real quick what it looks like. So that's how it's going to look. So I hope it's not gonna be too much of a problem because it is kind of touching my exhaust a little bit, like just barely. You can actually go ahead and bend your heat shield back. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the car now. Alright, so there you guys have it. Go ahead and check it out. Right there.